There's a fire that I won't slay. There's a fire, but no fire brigade. Our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, our souls tonight is no.
Okay, looks like we're all good. Let's go battle. Oh. Got him down. Nice. See here? Oh wow, I just got shot by this guy. It's cool. So cool at this game. The beast at this game. Oh. Oh dang, I saw that guy. Oh, that guy looks awesome. That guy looks so cool. Oh, got him down. Oh my, damn. Come on. I gotta make it to the top. This is awesome. Ploy. Anything comes to my way, I'll just drag them out. Scoping time. You just normally just shoot like right here, and you could just tag them. See? This is normally my shooting spot because it's good. Let's see how he just. Oh, he killed me. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. When I tried to go over there. Oh, my still up here. My machine is still good. I think, yep, my machine is still working. Oh, come on. Come on, dog. Come on. Come on, baby. That's a nice gun you have there. Oh. Oh wow, what is that? Oh, nice BB gun you have there, bro. Oh wow, that's depressing. I have one more life. Okay. Could do this. Come on. Ah, dang. Try to get him. Had him. Almost had him. And I won. That's how good a guys I am. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.